Yeah, I still remember like when I got in the airport. Back then they used to have USO booth.
Yes.
And you could they always could tell because you have that vanilla envelope.
Lost.
Yeah.
Scared.
Yep.
You got like confused look in your face.
And they always had a sailor and a marine on that USO booth. And you go in there and they're like, if you're a marine, you go with this guy. Navy, you go on this guy. And they were cool. They were like that. We got in the bus. They were cool.
Oh, hell
As soon as we got off the bus.
Oh, yeah.
And so I went to boot camp in Point Loma. As soon as we got off the bus, oh, let the screaming begin, man.
Shit,
and
dude, so I take a flight, 2 fucking Great Lakes.
Yeah.
Money from Hawaii, jet lag.
Yeah.
Got there, fucking all hours old. Oh, dude, I was so tired, man.
Yeah.
Like yelling. Key days is the worst.
Dude.
The first week was the worst.
Dude.
And then I had pneumonia. And I was set back 2 weeks. I was so pissed. And they were actually like, oh man, you made the point were like, hey, you might get kicked out, dude. I'm like, the fuck? I got pneumonia.
Yeah.
No, you ain't gonna make it. That's all I was saying. You ain't gonna make it.
Shit. Hey, as soon as I can't remember what rank it was, but as soon as this guy went in the bus, because you know you're sitting in the bus, and and they walk in, they just start screaming. And my luggage is in the between the seats, right? And the thing. He's walking, yelling, and he sees my luggage blocking his path. It's like, what the fuck is this? Who here is here for a vacation? I was like, me? Hey, so he's the first one to get off the bus. And then, you know, of course you get off. And I could tell, like when it was my turn to get off the bus, I could hear him say, guys, you got to see this guy. He thinks he's going on vacation. And as soon as I got off the bus, game on. It was, I'm getting yelled at in my right ear. I'm getting yelled at in my left ear. I got the knife hand in front of me and shit. Like,
So one of my neighbors, we were walking. It's an older guy. Old white dude. We're walking. And Wally's my walking buddy, and the other Wally's AO2 back in World War II. World War II, Vietnam War.
Yeah.
So we're walking, and we're talking about the war and shit like that.
Yeah.
And this guy, I guess you heard that. Hey guys, what's going on, neighbors? Blah blah. You heard what's going on in Houston? I'm like, yeah, so yeah. That sucks, but you know, it is what it is. He's like, if I was younger, I would have joined. And so Wally goes, why didn't you? He's like, well, I would have punched the freaking junior instructor in the face. So I was like, no, you wouldn't. He's like, yo, you don't know me. I was like, yeah, I don't know you, and you wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
Because you gotta pass the fucking recruiting office first to get there.
Yeah.
Trust me, you wouldn't be able to do that. And he just shuts up.
Yeah.
And Wally goes, have a nice day.
Yeah.
I started laughing.
Yeah.
I was like, this neighbor's always talking shit every fucking time.
Yeah. You know, the funniest part I remember was it was the first night. We all arrived like late at night, so it was dark.
Yeah.
And
it's at night. God damn.
yeah, it's always like they purposely.
Either night or freaking super stupid early in the morning. Mine was at like 2 in the morning when I got there.
Yeah. I think I was.
Holy shit, dude.
And
we stayed up for like the whole entire day.
Yep. And the funny part was, so they stick you in this room, right? And everyone has like a booth in front of you, like a desk. They're like, all right, strip down, put all your stuff in the basket, and then you have to bag it after the basket because they give you a bag. Yeah, and then you got to seal it, put your name on it. So they're like, all right, strip down, put everything in the basket. We're going to bring a bag, and then you're going to put it in that bag. You're going to put your name in the bag, right? They're like, all right. So we start stripping down, but they all the instructors left the room. So we all stripped down, and no one couldn't decide. Like, when we stripped down, it's like, do we keep our underwear or we take them off? One guy starts taking it off, so we take off our underwear. So the instructor walked in, he's like, what the you see like 100 naked men in one room. What the fuck is this shit? You know? And we're all naked standing and don't know what to do. Yeah.
You see, take
Yeah.
toes off.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice.
Yeah. And then that's what we were known for the first week. Like, oh, so you guys are the, what's that, the company? The naked company?
Yeah,
I mean,
P something.
yeah.
PL, the P
Yeah.
days. Or,
Yeah. He's like, I've been doing this for so many years and I've never seen a whole group of men just get butt ass naked in one room. We're thinking like, yeah, we fucked that one up.
Drop.
Yeah, it was. It was like, but at least the guy was cool and let us put our underwear back on. I thought he was gonna start drop us like butt ass naked.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks steep.
Yeah. I'd give him about another decade and that house is gonna fall.
Yeah.
A couple more of those rains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how the cliff kind of goes like this?
Yeah.
That thing is, it's only a matter of time. The thing is like, all cave in, and the pool and the palm tree is gonna go with it. And it's gonna block this whole area right here.
Yep. All right, let's do it. He's probably in his lunch break.
More naked people over there when we go. You good?
Yeah. He's probably like in his lunch break eating his sandwich. How's that pickle,
it is
buddy?
Almost lunchtime. I'm freaking hungry. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are we allowed to do that stuff up there? Oh, yeah, you can. Sweet. Thanks, brother.
All right. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, the little hut. Damn, look at that. Caveman style, huh? Welcome to PI.
It took you forever to get up here.
Oh, I had to put on my
It
shoes.
was like 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, I saw you run up.
Like fucking dummy.
Before I even got my phone to record, you were gone. Dude, I like this little hut.
Oh, you gotta bring lunch here next time, man.
Yeah.
Lunch and drinks.
Yeah. I like this.
There we go. Why did I record that? I don't know why.
Yeah.
Here, sit right there. I'll sacrifice my...
Make it look like I'm pondering. What could he be thinking of?
lunch.
Like lunch? Naked men? Hey, was that the two couple that were stretching earlier or no?
Yeah. Sit right there.
Oh. Dude, this is the most beautiful view ever. I gotta zoom in. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Ow. God damn it. That's the first time I hit my head on anything.
I feel like this view is one of those Instagram type of views. Yeah.
Just
Oh
be
yeah.
careful right there.
Oh yeah. Looking good.
You think one right there from the back? More
Right.
like, you know, like watch.
You just want me to take a picture?
Use landscape.
Landscape?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh man. This looks like you're on vacation, bro. Hold on. I gotta do one more. Alright. This 0.5 is amazing, man.
I know.
It literally looks like you're on vacation in Thailand. Remember that shit? You remember Thailand?
I was been there once.
Really?
Phuket.
Yeah, exactly. It's almost just like it, man.
That's perfect, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you. Shit. It's just amazing. Oh, that must be the boss. Like, all of a sudden he gets out of his truck. What the fuck you guys doing? Fucking around. At least you're being honest. Yeah, I used to be able to handle my seller saying, oh, we're just fucking around. Then lying to me and trying to come up with a stupid excuse. What?
I want to own a property right here. This is it right here?
Yep.
I'm happy.
Oh, yeah. I'd be happy too.
Oh, and this right here? This. Oh. That's it. Life happened.
No, you should build one like right here and just put a Airbnb. And then they check in up there and they have to walk down to their room.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Want to enjoy us a little bit more? Yeah, we need to bring lunch here, bro.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Chips or some cold drink.
Yeah, I'm bringing something with rice.
See you. On the job.
I don't see how you could run, man. Doesn't your knees hurt? Oh. I don't know how you could run down here. This is how us old people get down. Here's a hiking advice. Cut your toenails, man.
Toenails.
Dude, my toes are like up against my
Right now?
shoe. No, coming down.
Coming down now.
I count my blessings. I cut my toenails, man.
You know, the best way to do that too is put a band-aid.
Yeah.
Like this.
Over my toes?
Yeah. That helps.
Well, I'm supposed to be getting this barefoot shoes.
I learned that during my Boy Scout days. Or Cub Scout. Yeah, Cub Scout days.
Hey, what is that on the ground?
The blue drink, the one that went out.
Yeah.
The one that we were talking earlier. So sometimes surfers would put it like that as a reference. Because when you're out there, you gotta look at the landscape because you tend to drift.
Oh.
Suddenly you'll end up like all the way over there, not even knowing it. Holy shit, there's a lot of surfers right now.
Yeah. Well, it's a lot of good waves too, though.
Yeah.
I'd be like, don't you guys all have to go to work or something?
I sit up here on weekends to surf.
Yeah.
But I stop after a while because like that and the hike, the drive. By the time I get down here, I'm like, oh. Because you're holding your board.
Yeah.
You know, and like, ah.
Trying not to die on the way down.
Yeah. See, aren't you glad you came along?
Oh yeah. Thanks for inviting me. I love it, man. I love it. You know, it's funny when I was in San Diego in the early '90s, people would laugh about going to Black Beach. You know, it's like, oh, it's a new beach.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of.
Yeah, but I never went, and here I am, 53, finally going to Black. And it's not such a big deal like everyone was talking about.
As long as you don't fucking golf and look and
Yeah.
let them do that.
Drool? You. No, that's you. That is so you.
That would be so bad. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah. It's like, John, are you drooling?
I'm hungry.
All of a sudden, I'm craving hot dogs and shit. Like, what the fuck? Hey, you know what's so weird about this view right here? It looks like one of those Western movies where the cowboys are like riding their horses and they're getting followed by Indians on the top of the hill.
They'll be up there.
Yeah. It's like, I think they're following us.
See what I mean? Like from right here,
Yeah.
it's not straight. It's kind of like deep, like it's kind of like curved like that.
Yeah.
So it's basically overhanging. That big piece of rock right there is overhanging.
Yeah.
Like,
And you could tell it's
and the
slowly
pool-
eroding
oh,
too.
Yeah. And there's like pools and shit.
It's just a matter of time.
See these fucking slabs right here?
Yeah.
It's from that.
You think the hill used to be like up to right here?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, further down Del Mar, they had that whole cliffside collapse by the train tracks.
Yeah.
Like, 2 years ago. They're still trying to fix that, I think. Come on, I just want to see some hot naked women for once from down here.
Yeah.
Like, really hot. Not like fucking.
No, you got to go to seashells for that.
Not like the women that like you're fucking naked and stepping in the own goddamn nipples and shit.
Oh yeah. Dude, my first deployment, we broke down in the middle of nowhere, and we had to, because we were in the Somalia war, and so we broke down, and so we pulled in to get repaired to this island called Seashells.
Yeah.
Dude, talk about the most beautiful beach ever.
Yeah, this.
I mean, this is the beach that you dream of, like that you see in movies.
So
But it was like a nude beach, and that was the first time I ever seen like nothing but hot women in a nude beach.
Which beach? Palma de Mallorca.
Yeah.
Spain. Bro, it's a small town.
Yeah.
Bro, fucking nobody wears. The men wear something. The women does not.
Yeah. And the cool thing about it is, like, if you walk to town, you could come across tribes walking through your path.
Yeah.
And you move out of the way.
Yeah.
Because they walk in packs, you know. Yeah, that was a cool experience, and never again did I ever go there. Which I was like, I always look forward, hoping.
I almost want to attempt this, but next time.
I want to see someone with rock climbing skills climb
I
that.
just remember some people were right there.
Yeah.
I want to try to see.
Oh look,
Yeah.
there's that. This guy's gonna try to go for it.
They're going back home. Look, see? They're like,
Ooh, like, fuck holding hands. They're
see
like
ya.
holding hands. Like, what the fuck?
See ya. My shoes waterproof. See this dangerous ones right here with all the pebbles in it.
Yeah.
See if that thing just crumbles.
Oh yeah. One pebble goes down. They all go down.
Like it's like a freaking.
Look how close that house is at the edge.
I know.
That is insane. No, my luck, I'll be mowing the yard and go too far. There goes the lawnmower.
And there it goes.
Yeah. And I'm still hanging on to it.
That dummy.